students. Yesterday we have seen LCM, HCF and theorem, Ricet-Lehmann theorem, and how to calculate the HCF of a number using the theorem. So today we will go to the problems of HCF and LCM. Before that, I just wanted to introduce myself. My name is Parthasarathi. I am around the age of 65. I worked in, I am a graduate in BA graduate in Electronics and Telecommunication. I have good interest in mathematics. Okay, so last year only I started taking class to my granddaughter. Yesterday she has taken class. So right from that only I started taking interest in giving the lectures. Okay, now as a student I expect something from you. You should have some basic knowledge of maths, that is addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, and taking LCM, fractions, cross multiplications. Okay, so I expect you will have the things, that is those techniques. That is, you will have problem in multiplication or division, some numbers, but do it carefully. If you miss a number, the whole problem will be solving will be a problem. So when you do mathematical problems, use step by step, so that you can go to the previous step. See anything is wrong, you can correct it. Don't get fear. Be casual and do the problem. Attend the problems with confidence. Okay. So now we have covered this. So I'll be taking the problems with HCF and LCM. Already we have. I told you yesterday, HCF and product of HCF and LCM is the product of the two given numbers. HCF is the product of common terms with lower power. LCM is the product of prime factors with higher power. So with this thing in mind, I will be solving some problems. So basically these problems will be, or the problem which asked in the public exams. So I will write on which year this question has come. So first, cbse 2014, this question was asked. That is HCF of 2520 and 6600 is equal to 40, and LCM of 2520 and 6600 is equal to 252 into K, 252. Okay, now we should find out what is K. So as per this theorem, HCF and LCM. So HCM is 40 into this LCM is 252 into K. So this is HCF and this is LCM is equal to product of these two numbers, that is 2520 into 6600. Now you have to find out this K. So if you take these two numbers 40 and 252, it will be get divided here. So I will write like this: 40 into 252. Okay. So this 40 has gone here. This 252 has gone here. So now only K is here. So is equal to K. So if you do this multiplication and division of this number, the K will be 1650. So you just go through this problem, do the multiplication and division, see that you get the K. So, but I have used this formula here. That is product of HCF and LCM is equal to product of the two given numbers, and HCF and LCM goes here. So the K is equal to 1650. Okay, we will go to the next problem. That is HCF and LCM. That is and LCM of 72 and 122. That is, we have to find out the HCF and LCM of these two numbers. You got the point. So, yesterday I told you how to take the HCF. That is, you divide 72 by 2 comes 36. Again 2, 18, 2, 9, 3, 3. Okay, 72 you are dividing it like 2, 2, 2, 3, 3. Okay, like that 122 has to be factorized. Again 2, 60. Okay, 2, again 2, 30. Again 2, 15. Again 3 into 5. Okay, this is the way you factorize these two numbers, 72 and 120. So this comes as 2, 2, 2, 3 twos into 2 threes. That is 72 equal to 2 to the power 3 into 3 to the power 2. Okay, 1, 2, 3, this 2. That is 2 to the power 3 into 3 into 3 to the power 2. Now this 120 is equal to, see, 2, 2, 2. 2 to the power 3 into 3 into 5. You got it now. Now, what HCF says is the common terms with lower power. So, here, what is the common factor? With 72, HCF is the common factor with lowest power. Here, this 2 to the power 3, this is common. Okay, here, this is also, here also 2 to the power 3, here also 2 to the power 3. So, you have to take 2 to the power 3. Here, the lowest power of 3 is equal to 3 itself. Okay, you got this point. That is the common terms. This for 72, this 2 to the power is common. Here also 2 to the power is common. So you should take this 2 to the power 3. Here also 3 and 3 squared is common, but you should take the least power. You got my point now. Now this is 8 into 3 equal to 24. So this is called HCF. Okay, do you understand? This HCF how it came. Lowest power, common terms of the common terms. If you take the common terms, see the common terms should be there. This should be common, this number should be common for both. This is how you should take 24 as the HCF. Okay. Now, see what LCM is says. Product of prime factors with high powers. Okay. The high powers are 2 to the power 3 into 3 squared into 5. This 5 you have to take. See what in actually in HCF you have not taken 5, but in LCM We have to take this 5 into account because it says product of 5 factors with higher power. So whatever is there, the 5 should also come. So again this comes as, if you multiply, this will come to 360. So this is the LCM of this 72 and 120. Okay. So HCF is equal to 24 and LCM equal to 360. Do you understand now? First, do the factorization of 72 and do the factorization of 120. Then write the terms, that is 2 to the power, this is 2 to the 2, this is 2 to the power 3 squared, then 3 squared. So here I went the 72 is 2 to the power 3 and 3 to the power 2. 120 is 2 to the power 3 into 3 into 5. Okay. Take the common factors and write it here. That becomes the HCF. Okay. The LCM is the highest powers. That is 2 to the power 3. And this is the highest power here. 3 to the power 5. Then multiply this also you should take. So that comes the LCM. Okay, next. Again, a CBSE 2023 problem. 2023 CBSE 3 marks question. 3 marks. That is to find the HCF and LCM of 26, 65 and 117. See, the previous example I shown you is only 2 numbers. Now there are 3 numbers now. So now you have to find the HCF and LCM of these 3 numbers. Now this is again the same. So what is 26? 2 into 13. Okay. 65 equal to 5 into 13. 117 equal to 3 squared into 13. Okay, I'll show 117 equal to, first 3, you do 3, 3, 9, 27, so 39. Okay, again this 39, 3. So how much it comes? 13 was that? Okay, 13, yeah, 39, 13. So this 117 is 9 into 13, 117. Okay, fine. Here, what happens is, in all the 3, that is 26, 65 and 117, in all the cases this 13 comes here. So this is the common factor. So this is the HCF. Okay. So HCF is equal to 13. Got the point? And what is the LCM now? LCM now, here you should take the highest power here. See 3 squared, and you should take 2 also, you should take 5. Since 13 is common, you can take 113 is enough. You need not take, suppose if this is 13 squared here, square, you should take 13 squared. You got the point difference. Okay. If it is 13 to the cube, 13 to the cube should come here. But here it is only 13. So, you should take 13 also here. See the difference of HCF and LCM. So highest power of 3 squared and 2 should come, 5 should come, 13 should come. Okay, if you multiply this, this will come to 1170. So this is LCM of these three numbers. Got my point? That is, what it means is basically, see what happens is, this 26 and 65 and 117 can be divided by 13. Simple, no? See, if you divide by 13, this becomes 2. If you divide by 13, this becomes 5. If you divide by 13, this becomes 9. So, this is the highest common factor, HCF. Okay. So, for this 26 and 65 and 117 is the LCM. LCM means 1170, that is 26, 65 and 117. These all the three numbers will divide this number, and this is the least number for all these three. So this is the least count. So again I tell you, don't get confused. Highest common factor is 13. Least common multiple is 1170. Don't get confused. Highest should be small, least is high. That is not the case. So this can be divided by 13. This all can divide this number. This is the difference. And this is the least number. There is no any other number below 1170. You can all these three numbers can divide. That is the meaning.